SERV Stock Tuesday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So SERV Robotics is beautiful and it is actually delivering. Can you believe this? It gave me one break here and then a second break right here, and since then it's been delivering. And let me show you the previous video. Like this it is, like here it is 9 days ago. This is how it looked like, and just gonna copy this. Boom, this is where we are right now. So it is beautiful, delivering. And yeah, man, like all I can say is just that I'll wait. Very aggressive BEs as always, but for right now, just a little waiting game, you know. So let me know what is your thoughts on it. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. It's free. It plays your own due diligence. This doesn't mean that I'm just gonna, like, I was waiting for this thing for quite a while, and after I've gotten the double break, then I've really got the green light and I'm like, okay, we're on. So yeah, do your own thing.